Harrison, Indiana, 2.16 acres. Access, yes. 98,000 bucks. Accepted. Thinks I came in too high. I told the seller there was an issue with our offer. There was an issue with our offer. I like that. And I can only pay 25.
I'm missing something. Is this the property?
It is. This is the right one to say. That's so funny. My issue with my idiot partner is he offered 98 and I said 25.
I've done that to Jill before.
I know. So they told me they may be able to do 25, but they want me to call next week and confirm. I don't believe, let's see, affordable, not sure. I believe it can sell for 60 based on what I see. The seller wanted to build a home on the property, but never did. Her son lives on the property to the south. They're getting older and they don't feel as though they will ever be able to get it done. Boy, do I understand that. You can never get a
That's
garage
what I said
set?
about Land Academy.
Oh, yeah.
This is 16 acres. I love this lot.
You know,
This is really attractive for a lot of reasons.
the 98 was making me sweat, but 25 I can maybe see.
No wonder I really like this deal at 7,000.
I was gonna say,
That's
I'm
right.
not sure. A lot cheaper.
It's just so unassuming from the road is what I like about it. Like,
Oh,
you know, you think it's really kind of just this,
yeah,
but then you have all this dirt back here.
yeah.
So this is from a attractiveness to a buyer who's in the market for land to build something. This is very, very attractive,
Mm-hmm.
competitive. So it just comes down to the money for me.
Right. Would you do this deal? Wilkes County, North Carolina. Affordable. He did the 6 A's. Ready?
Yeah.
Purchase agreement signed for $6,805. We have a Mossy Oak broker that says he could sell it for 25 to 30. I'm already loving it. Looking to sell it even faster at 20. We have access, paved road.
Screaming HOA. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's what's
Yeah.
coming. Hang on a moment here. Let me get to that. Great views from the front, nice trees, privacy, acreage 3.5. That's good. Everybody's alive. There are some houses nearby. Here's the kicker: $700 a year. It's a gated equestrian community, but you don't have to have horses to live there. Access to the clubhouse, no farm animals allowed, chickens, pigs, etc.
I don't think I would buy this. I don't like the HOA part of it. 700 a year is pretty rich, but let's see what's for sale. No horses are going to be on this property.
Correct.
I swear we look at a
I don't see much built either.
Yeah,
I
that's
swear
the
we
real
look at a
problem.
property in this HOA like once a week.
Really?
Yeah,
I think it's the same one we are really close. Like last week, someone came up, and I'm pretty sure it's the same area.
this is an immediate pass for me. Even though there's too much. What Lori said.
Yeah.
Everything else
Yeah.
I can maybe get past the pricing and all that. There's just too much vacant property.
When you talk to these brokers, ask them about activity and not just what price they think they can get, but like how long you think it's going to take.
Look, you know, maybe honest. All kidding aside, you could pay 6,800. You'll get out of it by 7,500, and you might list it for 15, and then you'll be the cheapest one in there.
Mm.
So it might sell pretty quickly.
I'm not against it.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
You're in a good
do you know
mood
what it
today.
is? Because I have some brokers around there that I like. But wait, how many are available in there?
You can see it here.
Oh, that's too many. I'm sorry.
There's a lot sold.
Yeah,
I
there's
think
one
it's
that's sold
right,
for
I think it's right
15.
here.
Yeah.
And this sold for 15. You know what? This is a buy for 7, sell for 14. Pretty strong. If you're okay with that, it's probably be all right. I wouldn't do it, but
Mm-hmm.
a few years ago, I probably would have.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't do it either.
I wouldn't do it either.
There you go. Still Harrison, Indiana. Now we're looking at the other one. 2.168 acres.
For 12,000.
Yep. But he talked it down to 7. So this is the one.
Oh, yeah.
Got it for 12, talked it down to 7. Believe it will sell for 25. And this is the leftover one. Okay.
Right next door to this. $142,000 house, $200,000 house.
Buy it for 12.
Buy for 12. So, buy for 7.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
I'd probably buy this.
I'm good with that one.
You're gonna have it for a while and sell it. Buy for 7, sell it 14 all day. This is okay to buy, I think,
Mhm.
as long as this passes the red, green, yellow test. Like days on market's okay here and all that.
Mm-hmm.
Get a sign on there real fast, as fast as you can.
We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.